In this video, I'm going to be showing you an AI platform that pays you for training AI. And this platform is called Mercor. I had already made a video on this platform and I was supposed to upload it about some days ago, but I mistakenly deleted the video on the day that I was supposed to upload it. For those of you that were on my Telegram channel, you would have seen that I dropped the information immediately the incident happened. And to compensate for that, I uploaded another video on how to earn from Telegram, even though that was not the day that I was supposed to upload that video. So in case you want to get access to that video, you can check the top of your screen. I'll have pinned the video there so that you can go and watch it and see how Telegram can start printing you money. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sticking to an AI platform called Mercor. An interesting thing about Mercor is that regardless of the country that you are in, you would be able to participate. So this is not those type of platforms where you need to have a VPN, you need to have a proxy, or you need to have any of those methods like remote desktop applications, RDPs, and the likes. Just basically go to the website, type it in your browser, and you would be able to access it. In case you want to get the link, you can of course check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped the link there. Likewise, my Telegram channel. For those of you that want to join my Telegram channel, you want to stay in touch with my updates, you can also check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped a link there. Likewise, my X account, because majority of my updates do go there even before I make videos on them. I mean, immediately I'm getting the updates, I just write a few text on it, post it there, and people get access to it before I now consider making a video on the platform. Enough of the talking. Let's head into the tutorial. Once you pick the link from the description box of this video, this is the page that it is going to take you to. Now, what you want to first do is to, let me accept this, their cookies, and that about that. And for those of you that are going to be requesting for the link that you want to register, I had already made a post where I dropped the link in my Telegram channel. Now, I don't want to stress you. So because of that, I'm going to drop a link in the description box of this video. That link is a direct link to the post that I made on my Telegram channel. So immediately you click on it, it is going to take you exactly to the link. Then you can now pick it and go and sign up on this platform. This is especially for those of you that are going to be asking me for a link, because I don't know why a lot of videos that I made, I did drop the link in the description box of this video, but people still ask me, where is the link, where this, where that, where that. So check the description box of the video, you would get the link. Now, this is how your interface is going to look like. As you can see, get paid to work on AI projects. So what you want to first do is to scroll up. For you to now access the general skills, just basically click on this search rows, and then it's going to take you to the main page where you get to access all of the skills. And as you can see, wow, interestingly, I'm even just seeing this button now, refer and earn. I probably might be utilizing that, and then I'll come and let you guys know how it goes. But yes, these are the skills that are available on the Mercor platform. The first one that you can see here is generalist. Although, for you to participate on this generalist, you need to be a MacBook user. If you don't have a MacBook, you will not be able to participate in this generalist. And you can see their pay is about $50 to $60 per hour. If you even consider this is kind of higher than what Outlier pays though. If you scroll up again, you can see household activity video contributor, blah blah blah. Before we proceed, I'm going to be dropping an important information towards the end of this video, and that information is for those of you that are going to be applying from a country like Ghana, Nigeria, or majority African countries. If you know that you are applying from a country that is not US, that is not Canada, that is not any of these what we call is it first class countries or the likes, there is an important information that I'm going to drop for you at the end of this video that I think is worth paying attention to. So make sure to stick to the end. Now, yes, this first part here is for MacBook users. If you're a MacBook user, you would be able to participate in this. And I'm sure you already know what generalist is. Now, this is where you get to do household activity. This one here, household activity video contributor, blah, blah, blah. Although this one is specifically for US, US based. But that does not mean that we're going to see one that is general for other countries. Let us still keep scrolling up and see. This one is business developer contractor. Let us click on it. And as you can see, it is not country specified. So yeah, it is available for everybody and it is remote. Simple and straightforward. In case you want to apply for this, it is simple. Once you come on this page, you just click on the apply. One thing you're going to be needing, you will be needing a CV. But make sure you read through this. What they need is somebody that is a business intelligence analyst, sales manager, blah, blah, blah. If you continue, you would have to fill in your name, your details, and then you have to pull in your email, your LinkedIn address. And for some of the tasks that are available on this page, you'll be needing a CV. This is exactly why I have made a video about some months ago where I explained to you how you can get a professional CV from the comfort of your home with AI, but not just getting it with AI. I also show you a method in which you can make it in such a way that companies are not going to detect that you use an AI to generate this your CV. Because what a lot of people don't know is that you just go into an AI, type some random prompts, they generate some CV for you, and the next thing you take it and put it in these platforms. Immediately, their system is going to discover that you generated this CV with an AI, and there is a method they use to get it, which I explained in that my video on how to get the professional CV. So in case you've not watched that video, you can still check the top of your screen. I'll have dropped a link to that video where you can go and watch it. So back to our video. Once you're done with this, you would have to put in your email, fill in these details, and if you don't have a LinkedIn, you click on you don't have a LinkedIn, but I highly recommend you put in your LinkedIn if you have one. So that is that about that in regards to the application. And in case that is not for you, you can still scroll up. This one is biology research scientist, BA, blah blah. Although this one is for professional, they're going to be asking for a lot of documents from you. Like as you can see, you must have a bachelor degree or this MS or PhD. In fact, what I notice is that this platform, in as much as students can work on this platform and earn, I think this platform is even more for teachers. So if you're a teacher and you're complaining that you're broke, that you're not getting money, your salary is not enough, blah blah blah, I don't think you have an excuse now, especially with the availability of this platform, unless you don't know it, which my video is already bringing the awareness to you. So go on this platform, check the skills that are available for you, and you can work on it. If I scroll up again, you can see, look at generalist expert. This one is not even country specific or that you have to have a MacBook like the first generalist. This one is available for all. So that is that about that in regards to this platform. One thing I like about it is that the skills are much, like the things you can do are much, and the amount they are paying is very high. Imagine front end engineer. You can come here, look at this one. They have a lot of things here. In my next video, probably I might be showing you guys how much I have earned so far by working on this platform. Yes. And for those of you that are waiting for my video on Atlas Capture, because I promised that I was going to show you, even though I had already made a video where I explained how you can pass the assessment, how you can qualify for task, because a lot of people are failing it, but people still want to know exactly how I answered my own question, exactly how I passed it. So yeah, be expecting a video on that. Just take good on this channel, hit that subscribe button if you've not done so already, turn on bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one. What is that about that in regards to this platform? As I get more information, I'm still going to be dropping it. Now, for those of you that are going to be applying from a country that is not US, that is not Canada, or these high-rated countries that we know that these tasks are mostly available to, this is an important information for you. An important information is that in as much as this platform is available to all regions, I'm still going to advise you, if you have someone overseas or you have someone that can sign up an account for you, you should try and let the person sign up an account for you. This is because in as much as these platforms are available to all countries, the rates that they pay each countries are different. For instance, if you go on Atlas Capture now, Atlas Capture, the US version, pays them higher than what they pay Nigerians or what they pay Ghanaians or what they pay a lot of African countries. This is why the task that you're going to do on this platform that is going to pay you something like $15, in the US, it might be paying them something like $25, $30, or sometimes even as high as $40. So you can see that they are getting higher pay. So if you have someone that is in that country that can sign up an account for you, it is best you allow them sign up an account for you. But if you don't, of course, you can work with one that we have already. That is that about that in regards to this platform. There are a whole lot of details that are included in the previous video I made. Some of them I've even forgotten now because mostly I don't script my video. I don't write script for my video. So I've forgotten some of the information that I put there. But I know that I said a lot of things because that video was very long. It was very detailed. But then that is still basically it. Hopefully you get something from this and I'll see you in my next video.